Welcome to Science Easy Tech channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about Management in Nursing Service and Education question paper for BSc Nursing 4th year students. This question paper was taken from Dr. NTR University of Health Sciences, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh in the year June 2016. Before moving on to the question paper, if you are new to Science Easy Tech channel, just take a moment to subscribe our channel and also to press the notification bell icon in order to get connected with our latest updates. Already we have posted many videos related to BSc Nursing question papers. So you can watch our channel playlist BSc Nursing question papers for more question paper related videos for all the 4th years. Let's move on to the topic. The question paper code is 347, Dr. NTR University of Health Sciences, Andhra Pradesh, Vijayawada, BSc Nursing Degree Examination, June 2016, 4th year examination, 4YDC program, Management of Nursing Service and Education, new scheme. The time allotted is 3 hours and the maximum marks is 75 marks. Answer the following question. Write an essay on any two of the following. 2 into 15 is equal to 30 marks. First question is 1A. Define nursing management, which carries 2 marks. 1A, define nursing management is for 2 marks. 1B, enumerate the functions of management and describe the role of nurse as a manager. 1B, enumerate the functions of management and describe the role of nurse as a manager. 13 marks. 2 plus 13 is equal to 15 marks. Second question, explain the staffing norms and patient classification system. Second question, explain the staffing norms and patient classification system. 15 marks. Third question, 3A, what are the types of communication, which is for 5 marks. 3A, what are the types of communication, which is for 5 marks. 3B is explain the process of communication with the illustration of nurse-patient communication with regard to the LSCS. 3B, explain the process of communication with the illustration of nurse-patient communication with regard to the LSCS, which is for 10 marks. 5 plus 10 is equal to 15 marks. So here essay out of 3 you have to answer any 2. 2 into 15 is equal to 30 marks. Next session is short notes. Short notes means 5 marks. Here they will be giving 7 5 marks. Out of those 7 5 marks, answer only 5. 5 into 5 is equal to 25 marks. Fourth question is Code of Professional Conduct. Fourth question, Code of Professional Conduct. Fifth question is Accreditation and Affiliation. Fifth question, Accreditation and Affiliation. Sixth question, how nurses can actively participate in research activities. Sixth question, how nurses can actively participate in research activities. Seventh question, what are the breaches and penalties in nursing practice? Seventh question, what are the breaches and penalties in nursing practice? Eighth question, explain the role of human resource manager in recruitment and selection of the staff nurses. Eighth question, explain the role of human resource manager in recruitment and selection of the staff nurses. Ninth question, what is VED and ABC analysis? Ninth question, what is VED and ABC analysis? 10th question, directing process. 10th question, directing process. So out of these 7, answer any 5. 5 into 5 is equal to 25 marks, as I have already told. Next, moving on to brief answers. Write brief answers on the following. So this is for 2 marks. So here they will be giving 10 2 marks question. You have to answer all the 10. There is no choice in this brief answer session. So 10 into 2 is equal to 20 marks. So let's see what are all the questions they have asked in brief answers. 11th question, what is promoting and retaining? 11th question, what is promoting and retaining? 12th question, define zero budget. 12th question, define zero budget. 13th question, list the national and international organizations. 13th question, list the national and international organizations. 14th question, difference between malpractice and negligence. 14th question, difference between malpractice and negligence. 15th question, name the records maintained by the Faculty of College of Nursing. 15th question, name the records maintained by the Faculty of College of Nursing. 16th question, define supervision. 16th question, define supervision. 17th question, what is benchmarking? 17th question, what is benchmarking? 18th question, list the equipments required in the patient's unit in the general ward. 18th question, list the equipments required in the patient's unit in the general ward. 19th question, define nursing grounds. 19th question, define nursing grounds. 20th question, what is delegation? 20th question, what is delegation? So this question paper is taken from Dr. NTR UHS, as I have already told, June 2016 question paper. Hope this video is clear for you all. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to Science Easy Tech channel. My previous videos link I have given in description box, suggested end card, iCard. Also, you can watch our channel playlist for more nursing related videos. We have also posted videos related to intermediate subjects as well as 10th biology, physics, chemistry. So you can watch our channel playlist for those videos also. If you have any of your friends who are studying 10th intermediate, you can refer our videos to them. Thank you.